Are you looking for high growth areas with affordable prices? We are diving into the latest data to show you the best places to buy in Australia right now. Hey there, I'm Rasti, a property strategist from Get Rare Properties, and today I'm sharing the latest affordable housing opportunities in Australia for the week ending 26th of July 2024. Despite recent price hikes, you can still buy affordable houses in Australia capital cities. According to CoreLogic, nearly a third of Melbourne's housing markets are still affordable. Affordable suburbs are those where the median house prices doesn't exceed $900,000 in Sydney and $600,000 in other capital cities. Adelaide, Perth and Brisbane also have pockets of affordability, though Sydney has the smallest proportion. Unfortunately, the number of affordable markets nationally has dropped compared to last year. Now, let's talk about where the big winners are in Australia's property market. PropTrack data has analyzed the suburbs with higher demand, faster selling times, and strong price growth. Surprisingly, many affordable locations made the list. For instance, suburbs in Western Australia like Medina, Pamela, and Orella have seen significant growth. Queensland's Brisbane and Townsville areas are also performing well, along with several suburbs in New South Wales and South Australia. Victoria has its top performers too. PropTrack's and Flaherty says affordable pockets are attracting more buyers, leading to faster selling times and higher prices. Buyers are also targeting new properties. The Housing Industry Association (HIA) reports a notable increase in new home sales in the June quarter compared to the same time last year. HIA economist Maurice Tapang notes this will likely boost construction later this year, especially in Western Australia, Queensland and South Australia. If you have felt like there's been nothing on offer for the past 4 years, good news. Listings are finally on the rise. Realestate.com.au reports new listings in June are up both nationally and in capital cities compared to last year. Data from Raywide shows a significant increase in listing authorities nationally over the past month. Year on year, new listings are up in Melbourne, Sydney, Hobart and Brisbane. You might be wondering what's ahead for property prices. Well, looking ahead, KPMG forecasts national house prices will continue to increase over the next year and a half. Apartment prices are also expected to rise steadily. Overall, we can expect solid price gains, especially as the RBI is anticipated to introduce rate cuts in 2025. If this video was useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more property updates, and ring the bell for instant notifications. Join our free workshop on properties in SMSF by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon.